you're wondering.
Good morning. Today I'm doing what we had for breakfast this whole week, and I'm gonna start my day today with some water. So I'm gonna have some water and I'm putting it in here because I want it to stay nice and cold because I'm gonna be sipping this throughout, the morning today. And I'm just going to I put water in here and I'm squeezing lemon in there and I'm throwing it in there also. And cucumber with mint, so some mint leaves, infused water today. So for breakfast, you see I am frying up an egg. Just gonna add some salt and pepper really quick. Hopefully I don't put too much. Ooh, looks like I put too much salt. Okay, so I have 100% whole wheat toast right here, and I just smashed some avocado on top of that, and I'm going to put the egg on top of it. Brian, I forgot to show what I made him. I made him just scrambled egg tacos for breakfast, but we woke up kind of late and he had to go to work, so I had to do that really fast, so I could not film that this morning. The kids will not have this. They don't like this. I'm not sure if Jessica will like it, but they're all asleep. It's spring break. So I'll show you what they have when they wake up. I hope I don't sound too tired and like I'm still mellow. It's still morning. So I'm also gonna have a shake with it. So I have some frozen strawberries, whole strawberries there, some frozen blueberries, this honey, and some ground cinnamon. So right here I just have a half a cup, actually it's 1/4 cup of a banana. It's a half a banana. I have a cup of strawberries, and a half a cup of 2% milk. Sometimes I use like almond milk, but today I just have 2% milk. And then right here is 1/4 cup of blueberries, and I have a teaspoon of some honey. And then I just put about a dash or two of cinnamon inside. Okay, so here's my breakfast. So I have the 100% whole wheat toast with mashed avocado, the eggs with salt and pepper, and then I put some red pepper flakes on top. And then I have my shake here and my water. And that is my breakfast for Wednesday. This is Evelyn's. This is just toast, butter, cinnamon, and sugar on top of there with the shake that I made. The same one. And then Jessica's is the same. She has a shake, and then she had the same thing that I'm having for breakfast. Today is Thursday morning, and I'm going to be making some buttermilk pancakes. So right here I have some of the dry ingredients. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of shifted flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar right here. So I'm going to mix this together and then put the wet ingredients in. For the wet ingredients, you can use another bowl, like a separate bowl, and you're gonna put 2 lightly whisked eggs, 2 cups of buttermilk, and then right here I have 2 tablespoons of melted butter, which I will put in after I mix this. I'll put the wet ingredients in there, and I'm gonna use the this wooden spoon and to mix it. And then once it's mixed well, I'll go ahead and start cooking it. The mixture, you don't want to mix it too much because then the pancakes will come out flat. So it's going to look like this. It's going to be very thick. And then right here I have the griddle. I just spread some butter on top, and I'm going to go ahead and make them. I guess the thicker it is, the batter, that's why the pancakes are gonna come out thick, like fluffy. They're looking nice and fluffy. Brian wanted some eggs too. He has to go to work right now, so he says he needs more food so he can have energy to last him through lunch. So I have 2 eggs. He's the only one that's going to eat eggs today. The rest of us are just gonna have the pancakes. So here's Brian's breakfast, and I cut up some fruit here. So I have strawberries, bananas, and blueberries, and then 100% maple syrup. And he's gonna go ahead and top his. This one is mine. This is basically how the kids is gonna look, exactly like this one. They're not awake yet. They're still asleep because They're still on spring break. So this is our breakfast for Thursday morning. It's Saturday morning. I made some ham, eggs. This is toast with butter and jelly. That is what they're all going to eat. And this one is my breakfast. So I'm just having, this is maple syrup, oatmeal with some walnuts, and I'm having a piece of ham and some water. And that is our breakfast for Saturday morning. It's Sunday morning, and yesterday for dinner, well, it was supposed to be for dinner, I was making these Pioneer Woman beans with ham, and it just didn't come out right. It didn't have enough flavor, so we didn't end up eating that for dinner. So this morning I went ahead and I cooked them, I mashed them and added cheese and some salt to it so it tastes better. And I have an egg here. My husband made some pico yesterday, and I have a tortilla and some cranberry juice diluted with a little bit of water. And that's it. This is another comfort meal to me to have for breakfast. So that is our breakfast for Sunday morning. I have some sausage here cooking. I'm gonna start that first because that needs to be done before I put together this breakfast. So I found this on Pinterest. It is sausage, egg, cheese breakfast roll-ups. It looks so good. So it says to have eggs in here. It says 5 eggs, but not everybody likes too much eggs. Lily and Evelyn don't like too much eggs. So I have 4 in here. So I'm going to scramble that up, and it says to leave just a little bit so you could brush the top of the crescent roll dinners. And then to put cheese in it. It says sandwich cheese. I don't have sandwich cheese, so I'm just going to put some of that shredded cheese inside of there. I got some butter here. I like to put some butter because it just gives the eggs so much more flavor. So I forgot to tell you guys, I put salt and pepper in the eggs. So I'm going to save some to brush on top of the crescent rolls. Hopefully that's not too little bit. If not, I'll just add some more. So first I'm adding the cheese. It says sliced cheese. I don't have sliced cheese. I've made these before, but without eggs and sausage, just cheese. So this is okay. So I have some cheddar here, and then I just have some Monterey Jack in the other ones. Now I put the eggs, all the sausage. I just have them, so there's enough for each one. Now I'm just gonna roll it up and brush it and put it in the oven at 350. The crescent rolls came out nice and a little golden brown and flaky. And here's the inside. All the cheese is melted. You can't really tell on camera, but that is their breakfast for Tuesday morning. Today's Wednesday, and I'm making some French toast. So I have some Texas toast here, and this mixture, there's flour, milk, cinnamon, regular sugar, vanilla, and some salt with eggs. And I'm trying out a new recipe. It says that this is gonna make them more fluffy. And over here, I'm getting some fruit ready, and I'm chopping these up so I could top the French toast. Look at how good it looks. I just love it. I love French toast. And then I got some maple syrup here. And that is our breakfast for Wednesday morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.